Dhanyavad, Mr. Singh, you have concluded absolutely on time. The next speaker is Sri K.K. Ragesh. K.K. Ragesh?
Sir.
From Rajya Sabha Gallery.
Thank you, sir. From Rajya Sabha Gallery. Rajya Sabha Gallery.
Yes, Mr. Ragesh. You have 3 minutes.
Thank you, sir. Sir, as other honorable members have already stated here, as per the ordinance, all the insolvency proceedings are prohibited for 1 year, and this is going to push the banking sector of our country in a deep crisis. And sir, in fact, the Insolvency Bankruptcy Code has already become a bonanza for the fraud companies. In fact, the corporate fraud is being encouraged through this IBC Act, because corporates are already getting lot many concessions. Huge concessions are being provided to them. We know that NPA is being accumulated in the public sector banks, and we know the huge amount which is being written off in the name of, under the pretext of book adjustment. More than 3 lakh crore rupees has already been written off, which were lying as NPAs in various public sector banks through book adjustment. And through IBC, another huge concession is being provided to the corporates. I want to know from the Honorable Minister, what is the total concessions, haircuts, that is the word, terminology being used. What is the huge haircuts being provided to these defaulting companies? I want to request the Honorable Minister to explain. As far as, if we look at the figures of 2019-20, we can understand that the banks are only able to realize less than 50% of the admitted claims. And last financial year, as per the Act, 57% haircut has been made with a tune of more than 1 lakh crore rupees. Another bonanza for the defaulting companies. Sir, if we look at the figures, so far as the allied industries is concerned, only 17% of the admitted claim is being realized, which means a huge haircut of 83% has been allowed. And Monet ISPAT, only 26% of the claim is being realized, and made a huge haircut of another 74%. And Bhushan Steel, it is 40%. And Jyoti Structures, it is 50% haircut. And Electro Steel, it is 50% haircut.
Please conclude.
Sir, please, one more minute.
You will have some more time later. You conclude now.
Okay, just one sentence. So, this is a very serious issue. So, huge haircuts are being made, and I want to know from the Honorable Minister, what is the responsibility of the corporate guarantor? Liability of the director, promoter. That has not been defined.
Thank you.
Why? Whom the government wants to protect. So they are protecting the corporates, and that is why the promoter.
The next speaker is
not being defined.
Professor Manoj Kumar Jha. Thank you.